Tangle teezer. No, I'm not being sponsored. Who the fuck's going to sponsor me? Recommended by Jackie. It's the brush. And my hair was brushed today, but because it hasn't been cut in about 7 or 8 years, it tangles really fucking quick, especially on a bike. And it pissed down. First time it's rained in 4 months, and I was out wearing a t-shirt. Ooh. It sounds like it's ripping it, but it's not. I don't think so. It's more like carding. Explain carding. Carding is what you do with something very similar to this, but with wool. And as gay as that colour might look, the others were pink. Okay, it's working. It sounds like it's ripping the shit out of it though. Yeah, not fun asking for these things in the shops. But no shop sells them apart from Superdrug in town. And the woman kept saying, "Oh yeah, they're great. My little girl loves them." Oh, fucking hell. A recommendation. You know, about half a century's hair difference. Well, it's going through okay. I mean, the real test will be, well, I haven't brushed it for a few days. See, it's not so much brushing it, it's keeping it from getting tangled. Okay, tangle teezer. It works. 12 quid. So I can't really complain about the price. Considering a bog standard hairbrush that lasts for about 2 months is normally about a £5. So yeah, it works. How it will work after a 200-mile ride, different story.